to Manchester, talking to us earlier on today. Now, in the 11 months since the Grenfell tragedy, the issue of fire safety has, of course, been top of the agenda for residents of tower blocks in the northwest. So the results today of a review of building regulations have been watched very carefully.
Yeah, the review has stopped short of calling for a ban on flammable cladding, and it hasn't recommended sprinklers for tower blocks. But in some parts of our region, work to retrofit, as they call it, sprinklers has already begun, as Rob Smith has been finding out.
Pumping through a hidden network of ceiling pipes, thousands of litres of water, thousands of litres of liquid safety for high-rise residents. Sprinklers are being added to every flattened corridor in this Eccles Tower block. It's among the first in the northwest to be upgraded. The loss of life in Grenfell Tower terrified those living in other blocks. Patricia Redgrave couldn't sleep until her housing association decided to fit sprinklers.
Start to wonder what happened if it happened here, because we have had a couple of fires down below, but they've been put out more or less straight away, you know, so I can sleep with ease now, yeah, knowing that if it did fire I'd be safe anyway.
The cost of keeping Patricia and hundreds of other residents safe runs to millions. Those behind the scheme are clear it's worth it.
Statistics tell us that in a properly installed, properly designed sprinkler installation, we've had no reported deaths. So it is a necessity. It's a bold statement to say it's a necessity, but in reality, it's no longer a luxury to have sprinklers.
Our board decided that money which was required was well spent, and overall this programme is going to cost us about £6 million to fit sprinklers in all of our 17 blocks. We are supporting customers to feel safe in their homes. Not only do they feel safer, but they are actually safer.
Installing this extra protection takes 5 days per flat, days of disruption and dust, to prevent something far worse. Rob Smith, ITV News, Eccles.
More of the day's news now. The government has revealed plans that will make it easier to get planning permission to carry out fracking. In a statement, Business Secretary